Hi there. In this Super AI review, I'm going to show you a powerhouse tool that can help you create content, videos, voiceovers, graphics, and even clone voices using the power of AI, all in one place. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting, what to skip, and what's worth it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the game. I create honest reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your online income. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a golden opportunity. And before we dive in, I've got some exclusive, high-value bonuses waiting for you if you grab Super AI through my link below. You'll find them in the description. Don't miss out, they're designed to help you get results faster. What is Super AI? Super AI is a cloud-based all-in-one AI content suite that includes 26 plus tools to help you. Write content, scripts, emails, and ads. Create videos with avatars and AI voiceovers. Generate art and images. Clone voices, animate photos. Build websites, bots, and more. All with zero coding. It's designed for entrepreneurs, content creators, and affiliates who want to save time, cut costs, and work smarter with AI. You don't need to be tech-savvy. No coding, no installing. The AI does the heavy lifting. Just point, click, and profit. What makes Super AI stand out? Here's what really caught my eye. 26 plus AI tools in one dashboard. No need for 10 different subscriptions. No monthly fees, just a small one-time payment. Voice cloning and talking avatars. This is perfect for faceless video creators, AI content generator, blog posts, sales scripts, emails, done in minutes, video maker and downloader, ideal for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube automation commercial rights. Sell services using the app and keep 100% profit. Bonus, it's perfect if you're doing affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, freelancing, or digital product creation. How it works. It's super simple. Log in to the dashboard. Pick one of the 26 plus tools, text, video, voice bots, etc. Enter your inputs. The AI does the magic download, publish, or sell what you've created. No tech skills. Just follow the included tutorials and start building your AI-powered biz. Okay, now let's jump into a quick demo to show you exactly how it works.
Hey, can I ask you something real quick? How many AI tools are you juggling right now? One for writing, one for making videos, one for voiceovers, a few more for graphics, avatar, chatbot, screen recording, downloads, stock images. You've probably got 5 to 10 tabs open right now just thinking about it. And each one of them is quietly draining $20, $50, or even $99 out of your bank account every single month. It's not your fault. The system was rigged. Big companies broke AI into pieces on purpose, so they could sell it back to you one tiny feature at a time and charge you forever just to keep creating. But today, that game ends. Right here, right now. Because we took the best AI models in the world, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, 11 Labs, Google, Claude, Stable Diffusion, HeyGen, Leonardo, and tons more, and we fused them all together into one unstoppable, all-powerful, beautifully simple system. Hey, my name is Sei, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Super AI. Super AI is not just another app, not just another tool. Super AI is your AI supermodel. The one app that records, writes, speaks, designs, animates, sells, clones, edits, automates, and never stops working for you. You don't need 50 subscriptions anymore. You don't need 15 different dashboards. You don't need to duct tape your business together. You just need one click, one dashboard, one supermodel. Look, if you're a beginner, this isn't just easier, it's life-changing. Because suddenly you can write ads, blogs, and landing pages without touching a keyboard. Create stunning visuals without hiring a designer. Build talking avatars without stepping in front of a camera. Clone voices that sound real, emotional, and perfect in any language. Record your screen, demo, walkthrough video like a pro without ever hitting edit. download, repurpose, and profit from trending content in seconds. Sell services you used to think you needed a full agency to offer, and much more. Even if you've never used AI before, even if you have no product, no audience, no clue where to start, if you can click a button, you can build a brand, launch a side hustle, or automate an entire income stream. Let's be real. If you tried to build what Super AI gives you, you'd be paying Chatbot Plus, $20 a month, 11 Labs, $22 a month, Midjourney, $30 a month, HeyGen, $49 a month, Canva Pro, $13 a month, Jasper.ai, $59 a month, Pictory, $29 a month, Stock Libraries, $30+ a month, and a dozen more subscriptions. $370 to $600 every month just to try and keep up. Over a year? That's $4,440 plus gone, just renting tools you never even own. With Super AI, you pay once, you own it for life. Full commercial license included, no subscriptions, no limits, no surprise bills, no downtime, no BS. And don't worry, Super AI doesn't expect you to figure it out. You log in, you click, you create, you sell. It's built for beginners, built for speed, and built for domination. If you can scroll on your phone or send an email, you're overqualified to use Super AI. Now listen carefully. This isn't just another tool you add to your stack. This is the stack. Super AI is your unfair advantage, the system big tech never wanted you to have. The shortcut every struggling beginner dreams about but never finds. And today, you're standing at the line that separates the people who stay stuck from the ones who finally take control. It's your choice. Keep paying forever for broken tools or own the entire AI future today for less than the price of a pizza. Plus, you're protected by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel like you unlock an unfair advantage, if you don't feel like you just stole the power back from big tech, you get every penny back instantly. No risk, no stress, no excuses. So what are you waiting for? Click below right now to grab your lifetime license to Super AI before this window closes for good. The future belongs to those who own it. Hello and welcome. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Super AI software works. Super AI is the world's first supermodel, a revolutionary platform that packs every single AI model ever created into one brain-dead simple dashboard to automate your entire business. With Super AI, you can now unlock the power of the world's smartest AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Manus, Llama, Gemini, Apple Intelligence, and many more, all in one place. No API costs, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no hassle. To get started, simply click on the AI suite. You'll be taken to this interface where you can explore a wide range of powerful AI tools, like text-to-speech, photo avatar, custom videos avatar, screen recording, and others. You can also search for anything based on your needs. For example, type avatar to access photo or video avatar tools, type voice cloning to find our voice cloning tools, or search for features like talking head videos, image to video, and more. You'll also find a quick start menu to help you jump right into action. Let's explore a few of the core features packed inside Super AI, all powered by different AI models. Text-to-speech. Convert any text into high-quality voiceovers, audiobooks, or podcasts. Select your speaker voice and language, adjust speaking rate, pitch, and volume. Click Generate, and your audio is ready. Photo avatar. Create photo avatars by entering a description. Choose size and quality, standard or HD. Click Generate Image and your avatar will be ready in seconds. Custom Video Avatar. Generate video avatars easily. Upload your avatar video, select an audio source or upload your own voice. Click Generate and the talking video avatar will be created for you. Screen Recording. Record your screen with a single click. Start recording instantly. Copy the link, download the video, and share it with your audience. Screen plus webcam recording. Record your screen with a webcam overlay for more engaging presentation, demo videos, tutorial, etc. Choose a webcam position, top left, top right, bottom left, etc. Start recording and capture both screen and camera view. Share or download the result instantly. Image and video library. Access millions of royalty-free images and videos to use in your content, completely free. Just search, preview, and use. Talking head videos. Choose a template, record or upload a voice, and generate engaging talking head videos in minutes. Great for content creators and marketers. Image to video. Turn your still images into animated motion videos. Upload an image, add your motion prompt, click Generate, and watch your image come to life. AI Content Generator. Generate content in multiple languages for your business, website, or software. Choose language, tone, and content type. Enter your prompt or speak it with voice command. Copy or export your result instantly. Voice cloning. Clone any voice, celebrity, or custom. Record via mic or upload audio. Super AI reproduces the voice instantly for use in other projects, and lots of other elite AI tools. Super AI comes fully packed with premium tools to help you automate and scale your business without technical stress or monthly fees. Whatever task you need, just input your prompt and Super AI finds the perfect tool or model to execute it, all from one intuitive dashboard. One supermodel, infinite power. Remember, no API keys, no monthly billing, lifetime access. This is your once-in-a-lifetime shot to secure lifetime access to the only super AI tool you'll ever need. Grab it now before it disappears. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.
Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Once you grab the front-end offer at $17, you'll see some optional upgrades. Here's the breakdown. OTO 1, Unlimited, $67. Removes all usage limits and unlocks the full power of the platform. Must have if you want to go full throttle. OTO 2, Done for You, $297. They'll set up your entire business for you. Ideal for beginners or time-strapped folks. OTO 3, Automation, $47. Unlocks automation tools for faster workflows. Great if you want to save time and scale. OTO 4, Swift Profits, $47. Gives you extra features to start earning faster. Solid add-on for action takers. OTO 5, Limitless Traffic, $97. Plug into their traffic sources. Helps drive targeted visitors without paid ads. OTO 6, Agency, $167. Add clients, manage their projects, and sell services. Perfect for freelancers and agencies. OTO 7, Franchise Edition, $97. Rebrand the app as your own. For those who want to launch their own AI software biz. OTO 8, Multiple Income Streams, $47. Get even more ways to monetize your creations. Adds flexibility to your income game. Pro tip from me. Go for OTO 1, Unlimited, and OTO 2, Done for You. If you're serious, those two alone will save you months of effort. What I like about Super AI, beginner-friendly, no skills or experience needed. Affordable, one-time payment replaces 10+ monthly tools. Commercial license included. You can sell what you create, fast and versatile, from copywriting to video to design. Perfect for faceless, YouTube, affiliate bonuses, lead gen, more, what could be better. It's not for people who expect push button equals instant riches. Advanced developers may still want custom options. The Done for You setup is pricey, but worth it if you're short on time. If you want an affordable way to jump into the AI game, create content fast, and actually start earning online, Super AI is 100% worth checking out. Click the link below to get access, plus my exclusive bonuses. These bonuses are tailored to help you maximize Super AI and start profiting faster. All available right now on Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Super AI review. Drop a comment. What do you think of Super AI? Will you use it in your business? If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more honest, no-fluff reviews. This is Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off.